Good morning, students. Here I am Smriti B. Sharma, your accountancy ma'am. Welcome you again in your class with a new topic for discussion. So, in our last class, we have discussed about the qualitative characteristics of accounting information, and today we will discuss about accounting as a source of information. So students, today's topic of discussion is accounting as a source of information. As we all know that accounting is known as the language of business. Now what is the activity of a language? Language of kaam ki? Language of kaam is to communicate with the others or to provide information to the others. It's a medium through which we can provide information or we can share information with the others. In the same way, in business, accounting is used as a medium to convey messages to the various users. Clear? বুজি পাইছানে? একাউন্টিংক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ অফ বিজনেস। ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ মানে কি? ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ হৈছে যাৰ মিডিয়ামত যাৰ থ্ৰুদি আমি নিজৰ ভাৱৰ আদান প্ৰদান কৰোঁ, নিজৰ ফিলিংছ, নিজৰ ইমোশনছ, নিজৰ থটছ এইবোৰ আদান প্ৰদান কৰোঁ। একাউন্টিংও কি হৈছে বিজনেছৰ কাৰণে ফৰ বিজনেছ পাৰ্সপেক্টিভ একাউন্টিংক কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ বুলি কোৱা হয়। কাৰণ বিজনেছ ৰিলেটেড যিমান ইনফৰমেশনছ, যিমান কথা বতৰা, যিমান দৰকাৰী তথ্য সকলো কোনে প্ৰভাইড কৰে? একাউন্টিংয়ে প্ৰভাইড কৰে। দ্যাটছ হোৱাই একাউন্টিং ইজ টাৰ্মড এজ দ্য ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ অফ বিজনেছ। এজ এ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজ অফ বিজনেছ, what activity done by accounting? Accounting communicate কি কমিউনিকেট কৰে? they communicate accounting information বা financial information, accounting information কাক কমিউনিকেট কৰে? to the users, so that users can take decisions. কি কৰে একাউন্টিংয়ে? as a language of business, they communicate their information. What information? Whatever the business information, financial information, they communicate this information to the users. Why they communicate this information? They communicate this information so that users can take their financial decisions. And from this perspective, এইটো perspectiveৰ পৰা একাউন্টিংক কোৱা হয় accounting as a source of information. Source of information কি থাকে? কি information থাকে? Accounting is a source of financial informations. Clear? Accounting is a source of financial information. Under this accounting process, they communicate their results. They communicate their results to whom? They communicate their financial information or financial results to the users. Clear? So that kele users of this, so that they can take their decision. How they communicate কৰে? ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত আমি কি কম? মুখেৰে কথা কৈ পিনে কমিউনিকেট কৰোঁ, কিন্তু ইয়াত in accounting they communicate through the medium of কি ইউজ কৰে তেওঁলোকে? various reports, statements, final accounts, annual reports. কেনেকৈ কমিউনিকেট কৰে? জেনেৰেলি আমি যেতিয়া মেন টু মেন কমিউনিকেট কৰোঁ, আমি ভইচ ইউজ কৰোঁ, আমাৰ ৱৰ্ডছ ইউজ কৰোঁ, লেংগুৱেজ সেন্টেন্স ইউজ কৰোঁ, কিন্তু ইয়াত কি কৰে? কেনেকৈ কমিউনিকেট কৰে? they take the medium of various reports. তাহাঁতে তাৰ কাৰণে various reports prepare কৰে, statements prepare কৰে at the end of the year. Clear? বুজি পাইছানে? কিয় কোৱা হয় accounting as a source of information? Because accounting is termed as the language of business, and as a language of business, accounting communicate information. What information? Financial information or accounting informations to their users so that they can take their decisions. Yes, sir? For this purposes, they use the medium like various reports, statements, final accounts, etc. বুজি পালানে একাউন্টিংক কিয় সোর্স অফ ইনফরমেশন কয় কাৰণ একাউন্টিংক কয় বিজনেছৰ এটা ভাষা যাৰ দ্বাৰা সিহঁতে কি কৰে মানুহৰ লগত বা বেলেগৰ লগত কমিউনিকেট কৰে কমিউনিকেট কৰে তাহাঁতে সব কথা কমিউনিকেট নকৰে তাহাঁতে অকল একাউন্টিং বা ফাইনেন্সিয়েল ইনফরমেশন হে কমিউনিকেট কৰে ফাইনেন্সিয়েল ইনফরমেশন হে কমিউনিকেট কৰে তে কাক কমিউনিকেট কৰে কাৰ লগত কমিউনিকেট কাৰ লগত কৰে ইউজাৰ্ছৰ লগত যাতে ইউজাৰ্ছে কি ল'ব পাৰে নিজৰ ফাইনেন্সিয়েল decision or they can take the help of this information to take future decisions clear and for these purposes they use as a medium various reports statements accounts etc to buji palane accounting ok as a source of information koa hoy so here are the notes related to accounting as a source of information or accounting as an information system. So next topic of discussion is the users of accounting information. That means the name of the users or the persons who use the accounting information that are provided by accounting process with the help of their statement, reports, etc. So in our last topic we have discussed that accounting as a source of information used as a language of business and they communicate accounting informations to their various users. Now in this topic we will discuss who are the users of this information, accounting information. Clear? There are various people who are directly or indirectly related with the organization and they take this accounting information to take their future decision to make their future plans clear generally ami agor topic tut ki porhi ahilu je accounting is a language of business aru tahante ki kore as a language of business they communicate kore accounting information kak to various user bahut manhok communicate kore etu topic ot ami porhim who are these users to whom accounting communicate this information accounting information communicate korobole ready hoy thakibo kintu teoloke janibo lagibo je kak communicate korobo lagibo june tune use no kore these are used by those people who are directly or indirectly related with the business entity clear on the basis of this users are divided into two parts one is internal users and another one is external users now first one is the internal users are those users who are directly related with the organization or who are work in the organization directly related with the organization or entity clear internal users ka koa hoy je directly so organization by business organization to logot involve hoi thake tate kaam kore tate nijor tar pray earnings earn kore tenuka users bro ki boli koy internal users yak tinta ami kobo paro tar bhitor basic mean one is the owner second one is the management and third one is the employees internal user bhitor tinta main user ase one is owner who invest capital into the business next one is the management who works for the organization take the main decisions of the organization and employee who works in the organization and gets salary for that clear owner management or employees. Clear? What type of information they required? Number 1 is the owner. Owner কাক কয় যোনে capital invest কৰে businessত আৰু risk bear কৰে তো এনেকুৱা ownerৰ কাৰণে accounting information দৰকাৰ হ'ব কেনেকুৱা দৰকাৰ হ'ব information বোৰ they want to know about the profitable position of the business, assets of the business. Clear? Future plans of the business. Sab kotha owner janibo bisaribo. This sort of information will be provided by accounting. Clear? Next, management who take decisions for the organization on behalf of the owner. Management kon jone decision loy business or karone owner or behalf of tak koy management. এটা sales related decision লয় purchase related কিমান assets কিনিব future কি plan বনাব কি scheme কৰিব ক'ত extend কৰিব business to ক'ৰ পৰা loan ল'ব সব কথা কোনে decision লয় management for that management required all sort of financial informations available in accounting. They required all financial information related with the organization. Clear? Last one is the employee. Third internal user is the employee. Employees are the people who work in the organization and on behalf of that they get salary. Whatever the information they require as an employee ki dhona information khujibo employee generally kenukwa information khujibo the profitability of the business, sustainability of the business, their bonus, their increments. Regarding this they will take the information from the accounting. Clear? Accounting ot ki information bolobo je salary kenaka increase bahibo kiba bonus pabo niki kiba increment pabo niki kiba interest kobar against kiba interest pabo ni pf kiman katise ebu sob kotha tahate korpa dis lobo accounting or pra information lobo related to their employment Clear? Employment logo related sub kotha lagi tahante decision information korpa lobo accounting or prakabo. Yes, first ami ki pohilo users of accounting information. Internal users kun hobo basically internal users means those users who are directly related with the organization. Number 1 is the owner is a person who invests capital in the business and take responsibility, take all sort of risks of the business. So what sort of information he will collect from accounting? He will take the information related to profitability, related to assets, related to all sort of liabilities, everything, sustainability of their business, future plans, everything they will take the informations from accounting. Clear? Next one is the management. Management are the group of people who take decisions on behalf of owner on behalf of jone decision loy tak ki boli koa hoy management and they are involved with all sort of activities of the organization sob dhoroner activity logote management involved hoi thake to tat involved thoka kolo dhoroner financial information all type of financial informations are required by the management. Potato world department or sales department hok purchase department hok assets or department hok marketing department hok insurance department hok warehousing department hok sub department or information stand up lagibo ki information accounting information kan tar upor base koriye tahate future decision labo. Next is the employee they are the pupils who work in the organization and on behalf of that tahane ki pai salary pai. Clear? और tahate kenukwa information lobo accounting information all related to their employment, all related to their works like increments, salary, sustainability of their jobs, interest, pf ebor sobore related information kune lobo employee lobo. Clear? Internal users. So next is the external users. External users are those users who are not directly related with the organization but their decisions, financial decisions are influenced by the accounting information of particular entity. Yes, indirect users kunbo jibu directly organization logo related নহয় they are the outsiders bahira mano kintu tahator financial decision nijor financial decisions bur accounting kunba ekhon organization or accounting information logo jodi related hoi thake they are known as external uses. Clear? Some type of external users are, number one is the creditor, creditor or banker. Creditor means those person who provide goods on credit, or bank, you know that they provide loan to the organization. They are outsiders, organization লগত related নহয়, কিন্তু তাহাতে কি কৰে, তাহাতকো কি লাগে, accounting informations লাগে। কি ধৰণৰ information লাগে তাহাতক, কেনেকুৱা information লাগে? They require the information like their returns, interest against their loan, interest against their credit. Is it pay koribo ne no koribo, pay kora risk kiman ase, kiman risk ase je paisa to napabo pare, tenuka informations bur ki hela bank ba creditor ar kor pra pai information bur, this information are provided by accounting. Clear? Next is the future and present investors. Investors mane those people who wants to invest in a particular business, in return they get interest, same like a bank. What type of information they require? The progress, the prosperity, the future plan of the business, as well as the risks associated with the investment. That means they take the information regarding the liquidity and solvency position of the business. Solvency mane solvency position by liquidity position of firm's capacity to return their money. Farmer kiman capacity ase paisa to ghurai dia. So solvency, liquidity a position bur ihote or pra pabo information bur, a information bur ihotok dibo accounting. Ya to same, they wants the information related to liquidity and solvency of the business. A liquidity or solvency ki bujha is a farmer kiman capacity ase return kori dia, jiman paisa loise to return kora capacity kiman. Clear? Third one is the government or tax authority. Government or tax authority also indirectly related with each and every business organization, because they want information regarding the taxable liability of each and every business organization. Government e ki janibo bisare je taxable liability kiman ase business or kiman tokar tax dibo para ase, he kotha to kor pra gom pabo, ene to mukhot calculation nohoy, he to kune dibo. This information also provided by accounting. Clear? Next one is the research scholars or media. Research scholars mean those people who works in that area to find out some new things in that area. Eka research scholars bili kole kunba junbu min manue kunba ta jagat experiment kori ase to notun kiba ta kotha uli janibor karone PhD scholars bur eta ki bili koy research scholars bili koa hoy, tealuke information bur kela so that they can find out some new things, new informations from business, and for this purposes they also take the decision of take the information from accounting. And say next one is the media. The media, their work is to publish the information, financial information on a regular basis of each and every business organization, and for these purposes they also take the use information provided by accounting. Clear? Buzila? So who are the users of accounting information? There are two type of users. One is internal users, another one is external users. Internal users means who are directly related with the business. The business ote kaam kore, business logot directly involved hoye ase, they are known as internal users, like owner, management, employees. And external users are who are not directly related with the organization, but their decisions, financial decisions, are influenced by the activities or functions of the business, particular business entity. Clear? They are like creditors, bank, future and present investors, government or tax authorities, research scholars, media, etc. Clear? So this is the time to sum up the session. So today we have learned about accounting as a source of information, and number 2, users of accounting information. Clear? So based on today's discussion, you can able to answer the following questions. Number 1, what is accounting information system? 2 marks. What do you mean by accounting as a source of information? 2/3 marks. And number 3, who are the users of accounting information? Explain. 5/8 marks. আৰু আজি তোমালোকৰ homework হৈছে question number 3. Who are the users of accounting information? Explain. You have to write for 8 marks. Clear? So thank you so much, students, and if you have any doubt, you are free to call me.